What's up guys, this is Aphix. Today I will be showing you how to take a character from Mixamo and use the Unreal Engine animations on it. So if you haven't already, please download the animation starter pack from the Unreal Engine marketplace and create a folder called Mixamo Character. Now go to the description and you'll find a link for this Mixamo Blender plugin. Go over here to the website, github.com, click code and click download zip. Now go over to Blender. When Blender is opened, go to Edit and click Preferences. Go over to the Add-ons panel and click Install. Now go to the place where you installed this plugin. When you found that zip file, click Install Add-on. Since I've done it already, I'm not going to do it again. Now if you go over, you should go to the add-ons panel once more in the Blender preferences and scroll down until you find Animation Mixamo Converter. Turn that on with this tick box. Now close out the Blender preferences. When you go over to the right, there's this little arrow button. If you click it, you'll see this Mixamo panel on the right side. Click that. Now let's download a character from Mixamo. I will go to my Mixamo account and I'll go to characters. Here I'm gonna install the gas mask character, which is in my opinion one of the best on Mixamo. So go over here and then click download, and then T-pose is good. Click download and it'll take a little while for this character to download. Over here, right click, click new and create folder. Let's call it Mixamo Character. Now drag and drop the character we just downloaded into Mixamo Character. Now let's rename this to Gas Mask. Now here let's make another folder, new folder, and let's call it Converted. Now go back to Blender. Go to your File Explorer, click up here and Control C. Now go to input and click Control V. Now in the output, click here, then go Control V, enter, and click on Converted. Then click accept. Go to the advanced options. For the hip name, we just want hips. And don't remove all namespaces and use the Unreal Engine bone names. Now this should be good, so I will click Batch Convert. When this is done, close out of Blender and don't save. Now go over to Unreal Engine and let's drag in our new character. Go Converted, click on Gas Mask and drag it in. Now over here we want to create a new skeleton, so leave this empty and click Import All. When that's done importing, we'll open up its skeleton. And we will also open up the Animation Starter Pack Mannequin Skeleton. Now over here, we'll click Select Rig and select Humanoid Rig. In the Gas Mask Skeleton, we'll click Select Rig, select Humanoid Rig, and then we'll click up here to Preview Mesh, Gas Mask, and then click Apply to Asset. Now over here you can see that this gas mask is in the T pose, while the for our mannequin skeleton is in the A pose. So we'll have to move down this gas mask's arms. So let's try to get it exact. And then let's compare the two. And that looks about good. So over here, click Modify Pose, use current pose. Then save it. Then let's go over here to the map and then go over to the animation starter pack, go to the animation blueprint, right click, click on retarget and blueprints and duplicate and blueprints and retarget. Now click on gas mask skeleton and click retarget. When this is done, let's take a look. This is looking good. As you can see, the animations are now shared in between these two characters. Now if I go over here to my player character in the hierarchy, which is right over here, third person character. For skeletal mesh, I will choose the gas mask. And then for over here in the animation mode, choose animation blueprint. And for the animation class, choose the bottom UE4 ASP. Now if we click play, we can see that the animations work properly. Click Ctrl Shift S to save, and you are done.